Hello. Never let go to my lu met red man ring long me. Guy pen rot ke so dan me version thong. Sai guitar chords sa di lop ne. G ho dong ni boy ke po on the 5th fret ko lop ne. Mi lu hai. E guy ni sil mo ne. But G minor, E minor, C and D ni ko mo ne. Ma lu first verse this in there. G xin rep ni line khá khá second line rồi là E minor sẽ đập này đúng không ạ third line của mình G đập này còn là fourth line của mình E minor đập này very easy let's see even though I walk the first line through the valley of the shadow of the second line E minor your perfect love is casting out fears and second line third line fourth line cũng đập này and even though I'm caught in the middle the storm of this life minor bottom there I won't turn back I know you are near and the pre-chorus ra I will fear no C D G C D G second line da khurina C D E minor bottom there for my God is with me like right bottom there and if my God is with whom then shall I fear thee? Whom then shall I fear? See, nee, chorus bop there. Chorus that. Oh no, you never let go through the calm and through the storms. Verse to come out, nee, G bấm sai mặt, then second two lines up there. Minor up there. Oh no, you never let go. Every high and every low. D. Oh no, you never let go. C. Oh, never let go of me. Bridge ko rin na cũng double. Yes, ito ni verse 7 ko man Z kang line ka. Second line ko rin na E minor sen. D and C must ka ko sidap na. Yes, I can see the light that is coming for the heart that holds on. Minor bottom there. There will be an end to these troubles, but until that day comes, you get that. Still I will praise you, sing. Still I will praise you. Yes, I can see the light come over in the verse of the chorus. Tôi có thể